everyone, here we are at the Dollar Tree. Let's take a look at the Easter decor. Okay, so this is what they have here. I'm at the location near my mom's house, so let me show you what they have in this store. So up above here we have these wicker baskets, and then over here we have the plastic ones. I can't reach that green one. Let's see what this yellow one is. Okay, so they have this one, and they have this one and this one, and that pink one over there says Happy Easter. Okay, and then you have the sports ones, which I think are so pretty, aren't they? Okay, and then you have more baskets over here. So this one here also says Happy Easter, the bunny, the chick. Very beautiful. So if I start over here on the end, you have the basket bags. So you have this kind here. Let me see the different kind. No, those are all the same kind. Then you have the treat bags. Okay, those are really pretty. You have this kind right here that says Happy Easter. And let me see if they have a different kind. Yeah, they have that one. Egg hunt. Okay, so then you have here the bubble sticks. So those are nice. And that goes all the way down. Then along here you have the Easter eggs. I like these plastic eggs. And here's the gold one. Okay, then you have these kind of baskets in the cardboard. There's the chick, and this one says Happy Easter. And I'm absolutely loving these. I'm trying to think of a DIY with these. I probably should grab two. I think I'm gonna grab two of these. But I'm loving the way those look. Now here, these little baskets here with the handles, I think those are so pretty. So let me just put this down. Okay, so like I said, these baskets here, I grabbed two. So they come in that green, the yellow, and that pink. Okay, all the way to here. Then, like I said, I'm really liking these baskets. I like the size of them. And then they have these ice cube trays. So this one here is the bunny. And then here's the bunny butt. Isn't that adorable? I absolutely love this bunny butt. I can't get that off of there. Okay, here it goes. I think I'm gonna grab one of those. Okay, so here, all right, let's back up a little bit. So we have the tic-tac-toe game. We have it in the chick. Yeah, so this row is the chick. Here's the bunny. And there's the bunny. And here you have the paddle ball. And here you have the book of stickers. Let's see what kind of stickers. So those are the bunny stickers. Okay, so they have like 4 rows of those. Then if you come over here, you have the glitter putty. Okay, in the blue and in the pink. And then these are the bunny erasers. These are so cute. Hello. Then they have the Whack-A-Pack balloons. So they have like 4 rows of those. Then the Easter flying disc. Okay. Then here they have the reusable modeling foam beads. Okay, all the way down, and then they have a whole box right there. Okay. And let's see. So these are the hopping toys. More of the baskets. Here's the the pink with the yellow ribbon, and the yellow with the purple ribbon. So the hopping toys, here's the bunny. And then here is the chick. Okay, then they have the stampers. So that's what those stampers look like. They have 3 rows of those, and then you have the novelty glasses. And look how cute, I don't think I've seen this before. So this is an Easter bunny ball shooter. I've never seen that before. So I don't know, that might be new to this Dollar Tree. Then you have the little bunny, the little bunny tail. Isn't that adorable? I love those. You know what? I think I might grab one of those. Then, okay, so then you have these in the burlap bunny basket with the ears. And this is in the pink, and this back there is in, I'm sorry, this one is in the blue, and then this one is in the pink. Okay, So they have some more baskets here. These are a little smaller, and they do have like that clear. And then that pink and that purple, somebody shoved that there, so I don't want to touch it so it doesn't fall. And then these are the headbands. So let me back up. Those have the bunnies on them. This one here is really pretty. And these are the sequence ones. Those are really pretty too. Then here's some more of the Easter bags, and here's some more of the treat bags. Those are nice. And then look at the gift bags. Look at the bunny bun. I like this. So you get 2 for $1. Yeah, those are really pretty. And then look at these. I'm liking these. So those are striped. Those are the Easter eggs. Okay, so that's what they have there. And then here are the chicks. Aren't those nice? Okay. Some more back there. And then I'm loving that plaid back there in the pink. Those are really cute. And then these are the tablecloths. So I'm just going to, those are the Easter egg ones, the Easter egg and the chicks. And this is the Easter bunny. She kind of kept them all in order. I love it when they do that. Then they have this one. So all of these are the same, and I like these. I think this is really pretty. So here we have the soap dispensers. Yeah, this is hand soap. So here's the bunny, and then here's the chick. I really like those. And then down here is the paper plates. Happy Easter. They also have it in the blue. Okay, so that's really nice. And that's what they have here. Some more of the bags here. We have the white tablecloths right here because we're next to the party stuff. And let me just scan the florals for you. Let's see if something pops out. I love these. These are so pretty. Look at these. Those are pretty too. These are really pretty. This color is really nice. It's not pretty. And look at those pink ones. Let me show you the wall hanging. So you have the square ones. That top one says, I like that little bunny in the middle with the burlap bow tie. So the top one has Happy Easter, then Easter greetings. Then you have that bunny that says Happy Easter, and then the hippity hoppity Easter's on its way. Everybody welcome. I like this. This chick is ready for Easter. It's so nice. And you have this one, the bunny crossing. And I like this. I don't know. I like the way that's made. So they have plenty of those. And then here are the Happy Easter trucks. I think I better grab some. And then this one over here says follow the bunny bun. He has chocolate. And these are all new to this Dollar Tree, at least. I don't think I've ever seen them. So the hunt is on. And then I'm always loving these. The welcome. And then those are the bunny signs. And here are the felt ones. So you got the chick and the bunny. And then you have the steak. This is a cute steak here, and it has googly eyes. And these are the felt ones. Those are the door hangers. Some more Easter egg steaks. Those are the coloring cups all the way to the top, and the tinsel. And then these are the tinsel trucks. And this the Easter eggs, and there's the bunny. So this whole wall here is the Easter eggs. Absolutely beautiful. I'm loving them. So here are the speckled eggs, and then here are the gold ones. Here are the craft containers. I'm loving these back of the gold eggs. And they're coming in so many different designs. And these are one of my favorites. The seashells. This is the bunny. This is the bunny. I like the carrot ones. Okay, these are the cross ones. The bunny. See, here's the carrot. And here's the chick. I'm sorry, I think I might have called this carrot before, but that's the chick. And here's another pink bunny. And look at these. Those are what? Dinosaur eggs? And then we have these. I've never seen those before. Okay. And then they have the glitter ones, the regular white bunnies, the chicks. Along the bottom, they have the tinsel. And then they have some stakes over here. I don't think I seen this the last time I came. So here's the bunny one. And here's the llama. That's beautiful. I like that llama. So that's there. And they have these. Those are really nice. Then they have these kind of stakes. So these are plastic. So they come in the purple. Here's the Easter egg one. And then the yellow is the chick. And the blue is the bunny. The blue is the bunny. Okay, and then some more of the door knockers here. Oh look, they have the window clings. So you have, that one's really nice. I like those. So here's the Easter ones, the bunny ones. You know what, I may grab this this pink rock one for Easter. See the blue? There's so many. Okay, I'm just gonna grab this one. We have all of the Easter candy for the baskets. So we have the jelly beans along the bottom. These are lemon heads, and those are the little chicken bunny. Here's the Easter egg ones. These are nice. What are these? Lip pops. Oh, those are cute. I don't think I've seen these. Look at these. Those are nice. And then you have these. Here's some lollipops. The Starburst. Here's the the chocolate bunny. I'm just gonna scan this until I spot something. These are really nice. Powder candy. Oh, powder candy. Okay, these are plastic containers, so they must have like the little powder flavors in there. There's the marshmallow bunnies, the chocolate ones, and look at these. These are so nice, cookies and cream by Russell Stove. LED glow art. What is that? We have one of these. It's a top. Some of these plushies. Oh, I'm liking this little bunny. It has a buffalo check bow. Isn't he cute? That's adorable. Then you have these kind of dolls. And you have the trucks, the slinkies, the voodoo. Here's the silly putty. Here are the gel pens, the little race cars. Here are the yo-yos. I love these things. The Play-Doh. Some more plushies, some more bunnies. All the baskets up here. Some putty, some brain teasers. These are the game darts. Here's some reptiles. And some more bunnies. Some bubbles along the bottom. Okay guys, thank you for coming with me to the Dollar Tree just to see what they have for Easter at this location. And I'll see you in the next video.